Greetings to all. Myself, Arul Soumya, working as an assistant professor in Department of Information Technology. Here, I am going to share a topic of virtualization in cloud computing. So, cloud computing virtualization. So, here we are going to see an evolution, innovation, and future trends. So, exploring the transformative landscape of virtualization technology, reshaping the enterprise IT infrastructure, and driving digital innovation across the industries. So, here the virtualization revolution from hardware to hybrid clouds. So in later 2000s, hardware liberation. Here, the server virtualization emerged, freeing applications from physical hardware constraints through innovative hypervisor technology, fundamentally changing IT infrastructure. In 2010s, DevOps acceleration introduced. Here, the rise of on-demand infrastructure, DevOps practices, and Kubernetes orchestration dramatically accelerated the application's development and development life cycles. So today we are seeing enterprise standard. So over two-thirds of enterprise applications now run as virtual machines, making virtual machines absolutely critical to modern IT strategic and here diversification and modernization. The first one is vendor diversification. Here, the enterprises strategically avoid the vendor lock-in by diversifying the hypervisor vendors and cloud platforms. It ensures the flexibility and competitive pricing. The next one is unified operations. Here, the modern platforms seamlessly run virtual machines and containers together, it dramatically boosting the operational agility and development velocity. The next one is AI-driven management. So usually in the intelligent automation tool, it simplify the complex activities operations and reduce the learning curves and operational IT teams. So here the cloud market sale and adoption. The numbers behind the visualization. Here the 947B shows the market forecast 2026. So here the global cloud market projected with 16.3% compound annual growth rate and driven by virtualization adoption. The 96% of public cloud usages. So nearly all companies leverage the public cloud services for scalability and operational efficiency. So 84% of private cloud adoption. So majority of our organization maintain a private cloud environment for sensitive workloads and compliance. The last one is 92% of multi-cloud strategy. Here, the organization empowers the hybrid and multi-cloud approaches to optimize the performance and reduce the risk. The next one is IaaS cloud. So here, key cloud virtualization models and services. So infrastructure as a service. So on-demand virtual infrastructure including it compute, storage and networking resources. Leading providers includes AWS EC2, Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud Platform. The next one is platform as a service. So platform as a service means it managed the application development environment with built-in tools and services. For example, it includes Google App Engine, HeroQ and Azure App Services. The next one is software as a service. So here it is ready to use application accessed through web browser or mobile apps. So popular examples include Salesforce, Microsoft 365 and Slack. And last one is emerging XaaS and FaaS. So everything as a service and function as a service are modified and it compute the granular resources consumptions for each modules. The next one is private cloud virtualization. Here the security, control and compliance are maintained. So private cloud virtualized the dedicated resources exclusively for single organizations. delivering the enhanced data sovereignty and regularity compliance capabilities. So regularity compliance means the essential for regulated industries includes healthcare and finance to meet the strict GDPR, HIPAA and other compliance requirements. So advanced infrastructure in the sense it combines the virtualization technology, software defined and intelligent automation to secure the scalable infrastructure. The next one is innovation drivers, that is AI containers and hybrid code. AI ML integration, Kubernetes leadership, and workload replication. Here, the artificial intelligence and machine learning are integrated into cloud virtualization for predictive analytics. And Kubernetes leadership in the sense it dominates the container orchestrations. It enables the reliable application deployment and managed across the cloud environment and platform. So workload repartition in the sense it has intelligent work balancing the cost optimization, data sovereignty and requirements. So emerging trends shaping virtualization in 2025. Here there are multi-cloud strategies, practical edge computing and quantum as a service. So multi-cloud strategies in the sense it reduces the risk and optimize the cost. So practical edge computing in the sense it matures with tempered expectations, focusing on practical deployment. So quantum as a service emerges cloud service of offering the offer and providing the access to processor for complex problems. So challenges and opportunities ahead. Here 82% of cost management concern and 94% of security improvements. So here is the future of visualization, that is adaptable, AI driven and hybrid ready. The first one is environment. It is environment flexibility and AI powered management, hybrid first architecture and strategic evolution. Thank you.